Okay, so here is my LMS for my hypnobirthing course. We'll start with latest announcements. So here is my announcement. I'll start with announcements. No, that's not what I want. So here's my announcement. This is what I send out before class 1. I'm looking forward to having all of these sort of what would be a class email set up as announcements, just because then the students can like go back and look at it. They can go back and access things like this link for the video, which does not change. And if it's in the format of announcements, I can add whenever I'd like to. And of course, they could go back for emails, but I like for with the LMS how you can have it all in one thing. The discussion. My discussion is on gestational diabetes. Within the ebook that we created, or that I created last time, I had a full page of resources on gestational diabetes and the full spectrum of decision making that they could do. So that's what I created the discussion post about. Within the chat, I chose to do an affirmations work session where we can all sort of, there's some fine tuning that needs to go into affirmations to make sure that they are the way that they're supposed to be. And so in this chat session, we can shoot them around and make sure that the words are exactly how we want them to be. And then finally, in my local resources, I did an actual local resource list. So these are from the midwife, the one midwife that is available here, to nutrition. They should be able to find bereavement care if that's something that they need, VBAC support, personal training that is focused on prenatal and postpartum. So lots of local resources here for them to access as they need them.